Hi, I'm Mackensi Emory from Team Paul Mitchell and Century Martial Arts, and I will be covering some chop punch drills. All right, so chop punch drills, I started when I first was competing, and I continue to do them through today. These techniques and these drills help for the solid foundation of your forms. Even though you're not doing anything super difficult with this drill, it's going to help your chops and punches become nice and strong, so when you do add in the harder techniques, it'll be clean, fast, powerful. All right, for the first drill, we're going to start toward the front with your chop hand on top just like this. We're going to go on the 45-degree angles just like that, and we have 3 rounds. For the first round, we're just going to start slow. Technique is your key. All right, so no speed, just technique. We're going to step off. We're going to step up with a chop. Make sure you look at your lines, your chamber, and your stance. All right, so nice and slow, almost muscle through it just like that. Chop, punch, really focus on that technique. Just like this. Okay, the second round, we're going to switch it up and go mainly for speed. All right, so don't worry about technique on this one, just speed. All right, so second round, like this. All right, and then the third round, we're going to try and incorporate both of those rounds together and make it what you want for your forms. All right, so now we have the speed, the technique behind it with the power. All right, so third round, just like this. Just like that. If you do those drills every single day, your forms are going to be exactly where you want it at the top level.